Hello Kg2. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today we will start to talk about a and an. Actually, both of them are articles. Article, what the meaning of article? It's a very hard word. Article, it's a word, comes before the noun to point to it or to refer to it. So, we can use a or even an if we need to point to a noun. But we have a very important question. What is a noun? Actually, any word shows name of person like mother, friend, teacher, or any word shows name of place like school, home, zoo, or any word shows name of animal like dog, cat, cow, or any word shows name of thing like book, table, chair. They all are nouns. So, we can use a or even an before the noun if we need to point to it. But we have a very important note. We need to use them before the singular nouns. What's the meaning of singular? Singular means only one. So, we can use a or even an before only one person or only one place or only one animal or only one thing. Very good. But we have a very important question. When do we use a? Actually, a is used before the words that begin with a consonant. Can you remember our consonants? Can you remember what we said about them? Very good. As we said before, our alphabet is made up of 26 letters. 5 of them are vowels, while the rest of them are consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So, we can use a before the singular noun that starts with a consonant. Let's see some examples. Our first example is cat. Cat. As you can see, our starting letter here is letter C. And as all of you know, letter C is one of our consonants. So, we will use a. Our second example is book. Our starting letter here is letter B. Very good. Letter B is one of our consonants. So, we will use a. And now, we need to know, when do we use an? Actually, an is used before the words that begin with a vowel. Can you remember our vowels? Very good. A, E, I, O, U. Let's see some examples. Our first example here is elephant. As you can see, our starting letter here is letter E. And letter E is one of our vowels. So we will use an. Our second example here is umbrella. As you can see, our starting letter here is letter U. So we will use an. Let's see our exercise. What we can see here? Very good. Penguin. So, what do you think? We will use a or an before penguin? Very good. First of all, we need to check our first letter. Our starting letter here is letter P, which is one of our consonants. So, we will use a. Very good. And here we can see axe. As you can see, our starting letter here is letter A, which is one of our vowels. So we will use an. And now you can see egg. Our starting letter here is letter E. What do you think? Is letter E one of our vowels? Very good. Yeah. So we will use an. So today we talked about a and an. We said both of them are articles. And we explained article means any word comes before the noun to point to it. So we can use a or even an before the singular nouns. Also, we said, when can we use a? And we said, a comes before any word starts with a consonant. Also, we said, when do we use an? And we said, we can use an before any word starts with, very good, a vowel. So, even a or an, we use them to point to a singular noun. That's it till now. I hope you find it useful. Thank you.